Xiaomi 15 Ultra Photography Edition has just been launched, and in the UK, the first 600 customers will get this kit for free with pre-booking. So, what's new in this exclusive variant? Let me tell you in this video. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra Photography Edition comes with several photography accessories. It includes 2 rings and a shooting handle. This handle features a special shutter button, and a dedicated case is provided to attach all these accessories. The handle also has a functional grip, similar to a DSLR camera. The box includes all these exclusive photography accessories. Would you like to use such professional camera accessories with your phone? Let me know in the comments. The back of the case has a nice textured finish for a better grip, and even the inside of the case has textures. You can also replace the red circular ring, just like changing a lens on a camera. Simply press and rotate to release the existing ring, and you can attach a classic black ring in its place. By attaching this ring, you can use a classic filter, and it also supports a 67mm classic lens. Once attached, it won't feel like a phone anymore. It will feel like a professional camera. The case has a dedicated slot to attach the handle. You just need to align it in the correct position, and once connected, the phone will show a notification that the Pro controller is connected. Looking at the position, the shutter button is on the top, and you also get a zoom lever and a record button. There's also a handle here, but what is it for? Let me explain. Among the accessories, you get a metallic shooting wrench, which needs to be attached here. First, remove the screw, attach the wrench, and then fit the screw back in place. This wrench provides a comfortable grip for your thumb, giving you an experience similar to holding a real camera. The overall grip feels comfortable, and the shutter button works just like a professional camera. When using the zoom lever, you will feel a slight vibration, and the screen displays DSLR-like features, including exposure adjustment. The accessories also include red and black shutter buttons, which need to be attached here. So you can say this is Xiaomi's Leica camera experience. So friends, how do you like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra Photography Kit? Let me know in the comments. By the way, I have already uploaded the unboxing and first impressions video of the regular Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you haven't watched it yet, you'll find the link in the description. So friends, see you in the detailed review of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. To be the first to watch the detailed review, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. See you in the next latest tech update. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.